Jamboard is something that Ginny and I and her team were working on as we were actually building out this conference as a way to collaborate. But then it's also a really nice engagement tool that you can use in your conferences to get people engaged, right? Instead of just what you're doing here, staring at us, right? You can do something else. So really simple. As I'm looking at my other screen here, there's a big note that says sticky notes, or a big arrow that says sticky notes. You pop it up and you would say something like, how to engage more or something. And then you hit save. It pops up here. You can move it around. You can drag it. You can make it bigger. You can change the colors. We're just basically going to leave this Jamboard open. And I would invite you all just to, as you have questions or if you have comments, just drop them onto the Jamboard. It's really, hopefully we'll get some good comments and questions out of it. But really just a way to let you see how this works and try something out as we're talking kind of in the background here. So that's about all I'm going to say about Jamboard.